Okay, this is the Vernon Cold Deck false cut. It's probably my favorite tabled false cut. It has a nice rhythm to it. It looks very convincing. It basically looks like a series of straightforward cuts to the table, and that's why I like it. So here's a quick demo for you. We have the ace of spades on top and the ace of clubs on the bottom. And it goes like this. Okay, and of course it looks better from the front, but I'll do it once more in slow motion. Alright, so let's break that down now. This should only take a minute or so. First off, it does help to have a soft surface, something that has a bit of give to it, and that way you can pick up the deck easily. It's not absolutely necessary, it just helps. Okay, so first step is pick up the deck with your right hand, and you're going to use the tip of your middle finger and your left thumb to peel out a middle chunk of cards. You're going to peel out cards from the middle of the deck. And it can be a fourth of the deck, a third of the deck. It doesn't really matter so much. Just whatever you want to do. And you're going to peel that out, and then you're going to table those cards. Okay, but you want to keep a break in that gap right there. Okay, so, but you know, it's a good idea to try to hide it as much as possible. So from the front, I close off that gap with my first finger. I just push down. So from the front, you can't see the break. From the back, I'm marking the spot with my thumb. Okay, so it looks like that. Step number 2, you peel off all of the cards from above the break onto the tabled packet. So essentially what I've just done is the equivalent of this. Okay, but since that first step was to cut off or to peel out a middle portion of the deck, it looks like I just cut the deck twice. Alright, but since that first step happened so fast, no one ever notices that those cards are coming from the middle. It just looks like two legitimate cuts right there. Third step is you take the remaining cards in your right hand and you place them on top, but you do need to hold a break there. And this time I use my left thumb to hold that break. Okay, from the front, a break shouldn't be visible. It's only from the back. And the final step of this is you're really just gonna take all of the cards from below the break and bring them to the top. Okay, and I usually slap those last cards down with a bit of emphasis. Alright, that's all there is to it. You just need to work on the rhythm now. And keep in mind that one thing I always recommend when it comes to tabled cuts is you should do it in a circular motion. So when you peel out that first packet, your right hand is going to move in a counterclockwise rotation as it comes to deposit the next packet. Okay, then again, a circular rotation as you hold the break, and then for the final packet, circular rotation and slap on top. Okay, so at speed, here's what that looks like again. Okay, that's the Vernon Cold Deck false cut. It's a really good one. Learn that and have a nice day.